In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your shipping address on Aliexpress. This is a quick and straightforward process that will ensure your packages are delivered to the correct location. Whether you're shopping for clothes, electronics, or any other items on Aliexpress, having your current shipping address up to date is crucial to avoid any delivery mishaps. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First things first, let's open your preferred web browser and head over to the Aliexpress website. To do this, simply open a new tab and type in aliexpress.com in the search bar, then press enter. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by the vibrant and diverse marketplace filled with countless products ready to pique your interest. Now, before you get too distracted by the latest deals and eye-catching items, let's move on to accessing your profile to make the necessary changes. Once you're on the home page, look towards the upper right corner where you'll find the option to log into your account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your login information. If you are, you should see your profile icon or your username in that area. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the Settings option. It's under the settings that you can manage your account details, including your shipping preferences. After clicking on Settings, you're going to see a variety of options related to your account management. The one we are interested in today is Shipping Address. Clicking on this option will direct you to a new page where you can view your current saved addresses. It's on this page that you can modify existing addresses or add a brand new one if you're moving to a different location or need to ship to a different address temporarily. To add or update your shipping address, look for an option that says Edit or Add New near the address section. When editing, make sure to fill in all the necessary fields like your full name, street address, city, postal code, and country. Double-check these details to ensure they're accurate. It's important because errors here might lead to delivery issues. Once you have made your changes or added a new address, save the changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. And that's it. You're all set with your updated shipping address. Now you can shop with peace of mind knowing that your goodies from Aliexpress will be delivered to the correct location. As always, feel free to revisit these steps or consult with customer support if you encounter any issues. Thanks for joining me today, and happy shopping on Aliexpress.